Welcome back, friends. So we have the Dow Jones futures slipping early Tuesday morning as investors await the Federal Reserve's policy decision and watch for signs of progress in the global trade deals. S&P futures are currently down 0.9 percentage. Futures tied to the Dow Jones down 303 points or nearly 0.7 percentage. Nasdaq futures declining 1.2 percentage. The US Federal Reserve widely expected to keep rates steady on Wednesday, with the Fed funds futures trading suggests that there is only a 22.7 percentage chance of the central bank cutting interest rates. Still, traders will be listening with unabated breath. The commentary that comes from Fed Chair Jeremy Powell's comments on his economic outlook. Tariff uncertainty continues to weigh on the markets. Trump is scheduled for meetings with the Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney on Tuesday, and marking the start of negotiations between the two leaders since Carney assumed office earlier this year. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent says that we are close to some deals, and therefore even we as investors are looking forward to hearing about some deals, even if not final, at least in an advanced stage. We could see temporary disruptions from a supply chain perspective if the trade deals do not work out or culminate in a final result quickly. And a slowdown in growth is possible, if not a short and a shallow recession. It may also temporarily impact inflation and keep the Federal Reserve in a difficult position on flexibility with interest rates. If the US Federal Reserve keeps the interest rates constant, as is what I believe and many others in the investment community, then President Donald Trump may again come back asking for cut in interest rates, which would be at loggerheads with the US Federal Reserve. So on the whole, an exciting week. And as far as the US markets today are concerned, to the best of my analysis, right now down almost 300 points, the futures. But as we go further past 10 o'clock, I think we should see some improvement in the market and some rebound from these very, very negative red levels that we are seeing for the futures, the Dow, S&P, and the Nasdaq. To get to know where the markets are headed from here, do join our Prime Plus group, which is very much addressed for the US markets specifically. And you can do that by WhatsApping us on 982-086-1044. You can alternatively also email us at globalmoneyinvestor@gmail.com. And those who would like to know more about the Indian markets and our forecasts, do join our Premium Plus, which gives you 10 to 12 days predictions in advance and good multi-baggers. We also have a combo package which covers both the US markets and the Indian markets. You can join the combo package as well. So look forward to hearing from you soon once again. Dow futures down 300, but I think that to the best of my ability, that the market should show some improvement as we go further in the session. Say past 10 o'clock, we should see a better market. God bless you. Have a great investing day ahead. Take care. Bye-bye.